aviators, staying current through consistent flying, practice, and education is not only a regulatory obligation, but a commitment to safety and mastery. As a private pilot looking to carry passengers, you'll need to meet certain experience requirements in accordance with FAR 6156 and FAR 6157, and ensure your logbook reflects the necessary flight hours and qualifications. Here's a breakdown of the recent flight experience you should document in your logbook. Recent flight experience, FAR 6157. To carry passengers, you must meet the recent flight experience requirements, which include 3 takeoffs and 3 landings as the sole manipulator of the controls within the preceding 90 days if you plan to carry passengers during the day. For night flights with passengers, the recent experience requirements are 3 takeoffs and 3 landings to a full stop during the period beginning 1 hour after sunset and 1 hour before sunrise within the preceding 90 days. Another regulatory requirement is a flight review. A flight review listed under FAR 6156 ensures you have completed the biennial flight review, also known as a BFR, within the preceding 24 calendar months. A BFR typically includes 1 hour of ground instruction and 1 hour of flight instruction with a certified flight instructor. Remember to thoroughly document all these requirements and any relevant details in your logbook in accordance with FAR 6151. It's crucial to not only meet the minimum requirements, but also to maintain a high level of proficiency, safety, and knowledge when carrying passengers. You should always prioritize safety. Even if you meet the currency requirements, you may not be proficient.